welcome to Upgrade. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and today I'm gonna bring a little handheld screwdriver. It's for DIY projects and other stuff. And then say you want to run some cable in a fine little areas or little tiny holes, or you want to make sure you screw down some tight little fittings or something. This is probably the tool for you. So we're gonna open it up and see what you get when you purchase them like this. So let's open it up. You can see it's a really tiny little space. Little handheld screwdriver, we can see it, and this actually fastens and tightens the actual setup itself. It loosens up and then it ties it up, and then on the top is to actually just, it doesn't move at all, it doesn't do anything. You just pretty much balance your weight on the bottom, and that's how you screw in things. So it comes with a bunch of different heads, screwdriver heads, different measurements, of course, and look at the manual for more feedback. But there is no manual in here. They pretty much just give you the screwdrivers. This guy volunteered. He just popped out. Might as well use them and see what you get. So first of all, and they do give you some tweezers, all right? So don't know what they are for your projects. Maybe you can use them. So that's not bad. That's a plus. So we're gonna go ahead and tie this up, fasten tight, and it has to be in center because you don't want to break it. Center them. It's a little difficult. There we go. So this is not going to move anywhere. We're going to bring a piece of wood and we're going to screw in. Make sure you put some weight. It's a little tiny little piece of wood. It's cheap wood, easy to pass through. So you just put it down and you screw in. And if you can see, I'm pushing a little weight on it, and a little tiny weight on it. And if you can see it, I'm going to put it side angle and I'm going to screw it in. And I'm going to make the whole thing move. If you can see it, I'm gonna see if I could pass through the whole thing. Put a little weight on it so it could just screw in fast, and it is going through. So right now, I'm gonna see how thick it could go. I'm gonna bring it back out. Not bad. Not bad little area. See, it made an indentation, a little tiny hole. And this is perfect if you want to screw like little tiny screws in there. You could even go deeper just by pushing it in more, and it is gonna, I'm gonna see if I could get through, but I don't want to break it because the more I move this, the more I might break the actual item. So I'm gonna take my time and keep screwing it in. All right, so it took me a bit, but it went through. If you could see it, works very well. Actually, I'm very impressed with this. So let me take it back out. So you get a perfect hole in there, and you can pass any kind of wire in there. Very simple. If you're going to repair a laptop, or you're going to add a thicker cable and doesn't fit, this is a perfect fit for you guys. Perfect for DIY projects that you're building. They give you multiple different types, I would say. Different sizes, of course, and we just choose the easy one that just is volunteered. Very small. These are replaceable. You can buy them in different areas. I've seen them at Home Depot and Lowe's and Harbor Freight. They do have them. They do have better models that are coated in diamond powder, which sharper and even faster. But those cost a lot more money. But this is not a bad deal. They give you all this included. They give you the box itself where you can put all your tools in here. Make sure they're all like base. And this is smaller than 3 inches almost. You know, look at that. Really small. So not that bad little toolbox. Made from Auto Tool Home. Professional DIY tool supply. So you can find on Facebook. There's a couple information. I'm put it here where I got this from. You can use it for any kind of projects that you're doing, side projects or anything else. So not that bad. Let's continue. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. I'm your host, Frank the Tank, and we're out.